Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's Saucy Sunday episode, we'll be making a low-carb creamy Alfredo sauce. You can use this classic Italian sauce to add zing to some sautéed zucchini noodles, or in a wonderfully delicious chicken Florentine casserole. Look for that recipe very soon. Begin with a saucepan on medium-high heat. Add 2 cups of heavy cream, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Cook and stir until the butter is melted. Now add some salt, ground black pepper, and a generous amount of garlic powder. Give that a stir to combine. Before it begins to come to a boil, add 1 egg yolk and whisk to mix in. When the sauce comes to a slight boil, reduce the heat to medium and add 4 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. Continue to whisk until the cheese is incorporated. You'll know it's there when you can't see the melted cheese as you lift the whisk. Continue to stir and simmer and allow the sauce to reduce and thicken. This process will take about 10 to 15 minutes. As it gets to the reduced state, give it a taste for salt. This sauce is very easy to make and adds an Italian flavor to just about anything, including my upcoming recipe. Be on the lookout for that very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.